Paano ba sa 3D printing? Parang you subscribe to these groups or may premium and you download the blueprint ng product. Ganun ba yun?
Gets. So, sa 3D printing, you need several things, no? One is, syempre, the 3D printer. Pero, I would say na, syempre, kung wala ka extra cash to spend like 30K, syempre, hindi ka naman hindi part ng priorities ng pamilya. And then, once you have the 3D printer, you need a model, basically a 3D object. No? If you just want to build something like this, madali lang yan kasi meron na online. You can download it for free. Meron din mga free. Pero for someone like Mark, he needed something na super customized. Na yung LCD screen na nakuha niya is in a certain size, diba? On the way na pagkabuo niya nun sa certain size. So, yeah, he needed to create that himself. So, meron siyang 3D software na ginamit, Tinkercad, and then design that sa computer, and then split that per part, diba? So, yun. So,